everyone. Yesterday I worked on transitioning out the management of our social channels, and I continued direct correspondence with our growing community of contributors. Today I will be actually working on trying to arrange for us to meet some of our contributors and influencers that have reached out to us, so stay tuned for that. See you next time.
Hi guys, so today we started working on the Copter Express demo. We created some new repositories for the code, and we created tasks so that we can organize the work, and me and Timmy started to implement that. Hopefully we'll be able to show something in about a week. Stay tuned.
Hey Davers, Alick here. Sorry for not posting yesterday, I was in Zurich, but I'm back. First things first, the charging pad company that we talked to last week really liked us. We're going to issue them an MOU and move forward on the process of onboarding them. Other than that, I'm following up on some LinkedIn leads. Some of my outbound messaging to different autonomous vehicle companies around the world are starting to get very positive feedbacks and replies. Me and John are going to follow up on them later this week. That's about it, guys. Have a great week, and let's talk soon. Bye!
Hey guys, so yesterday we posted the new prototypes page that was launched during the weekend, so I hope you checked it out already. And I created tags to start adding our contributors onto our team section on the website. And today I had a product roadmap meeting with Noam and Tal, where we go over the milestones and the roadmap, making sure the progress is going well. And I also continued working on the missions app, the boat missions. I revised the designs that we had based on feedback that we got from our partner that we're working on the POC. And this is it for today, guys. Thanks.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here. On Friday of last week, main focus was around analytics as it pertains to the metrics behind our paid advertising. We're also getting a ton of awesome community building and traffic coming from a lot of the awesome rating websites like ICO Drops and a lot of those ICO listing websites. So a lot of really good things happening there. Today, main focus has been also making sure that prototypes page was live, so I went ahead and made some final adjustments to that, but now it's live on the website. It looks really good. I'm really happy with it. Super big props to Lior and Yuri as well. They did an awesome job. Also worked on some upcoming advisor interviews. We're working on getting some of our awesome advisors on camera so we can go ahead and showcase why they're excited about Dev. Besides that, also working on some content pieces. We have an email blast going out tomorrow regarding some new updates and some readings we have on the ICO listings. But overall, great day, a lot of good work, and looking forward to tomorrow as well. Thanks everybody, have a good night.
Hello Davers. So last day and a bit, I've been spending quite a bit of time on the phone, speaking to people, talking to a potential advisor. I also been focusing a lot on putting together pitch documents for potential strategic partners, and I've been spending quite a bit of time in the Telegram channel talking to and meeting various members of the community. I really enjoy speaking to people there, so part of my job is to talk but also to listen, so consider that an invitation. Drop by and see what we're up to there. And that's it for me for today. I will see you guys soon.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I worked with new page for our website, its prototype. Today I'll finish it. After then I'll do a new Android device and our app Autonomous Boot. Also I'll remove robot in this section in our homepage. And after then I'll make new elements for animation viewer on the node. Also I'll update our feedback in DAV. Have a nice day!